How's the hospitality been?
Yeah, how's the hospitality?
Hospitality's been awesome, baby. I like your camera girl, too. She thick. Yeah. I wasn't even looking down like that. Now I'm forced to look down at the camera. Look at there, look at there. Look at the on that critter.
Yeah, charming. Stephanie, so as a videographer, what was going through your head as you were shooting this?
Well, I was caught off guard. I mean, obviously, a lot of people don't point me out and talk to me. I'm behind the camera. I'm not usually in front of the camera. I'm not conducting the interviews. So for him to just point me out and start talking about me specifically really caught me off guard. It happened so fast that I found it hard to, I didn't really understand what he said. It seemed really quick, but I got the impression that the implication was clear, that he was looking at my body, pointing down at it in a way that he seemed impressed by it, and he wanted his friends to also look at my body and be impressed by it.
And how did it make you feel?
Well, like I said, it happened very quickly, but I felt very embarrassed. I mean, very belittled. And a lot of people talk about this being a compliment. That's the biggest thing I've heard. It's a compliment. Why are you complaining? It's a compliment. Take it. But let's talk about that. What is a compliment? Is a compliment something that's going to make a woman feel extremely embarrassed and belittled and laughed at? I don't think that's a compliment. Complimenting women, you can compliment women without belittling them. So it's not exactly what he said, it's how he said it. And there was a bit of a power play, I think. I mean, my reporter and I are two women, two young women, physically smaller. He's a celebrity, he's physically taller, he's a man. So there was a bit of a power play. I think he wanted to embarrass me, and he did. I turned beet red.
You didn't confront Snoop Dogg. He's a celebrity. He's there visiting Nova Scotia. Why didn't you confront him? I'm not trying to say that you needed to confront him at all, because he shouldn't have made the comments in the first place. But what was going through your head? Were you thinking, what is happening? Were you just trying to process, like, what in the world is going on here?
Yeah, I mean, kind of. But if I could go back and do it differently, I don't think I would have done anything differently.
Yeah.
To be honest. Like, I think some people want to hear me say, I would have, but what was I going to do? Put the camera down and say, this interview is over, Mr. Snoop Dogg? How dare you speak to a woman like that? What was I going to do? Hit him? What was I going to... If I put the camera down every time someone said something misogynistic about a woman, I would barely, I wouldn't have a lot of footage. It happens so much. Now, it doesn't happen at the scale that this Snoop thing, and he's famous, this makes a difference, but there are sexist comments made to me because I am in a more male-dominated role.
All right.
Pretty much every day that I work.
Hey guys, ici votre boy Sap, et qu'est-ce que cette bitch est en train de dire? Pardonnez-moi, je sonnais un peu misogyne quand j'appelle une femme bitch, mais pour moi c'est seulement un pronom. Anyway, Snoop Dogg est allé faire une visite en Nouvelle-Écosse pour, je pense, tourner quelques scènes de Trailer Park Boys. Deux femmes sont allées l'interviewer, dont une était une photographe, une vidéographeur. On lui a demandé comment était l'hospitalité des gens de Nouvelle-Écosse. Snoop Dogg a bien répondu en disant qu'il y a une très bonne hospitalité et by the way, girl, en pointant la vidéographeur, il a dit que la femme elle était thick. La femme a pas bien pris le commentaire, ou plutôt compliment. Elle a pris bien le compliment et elle a dit que Snoop Dogg a dit des commentaires misogynes, qu'elle était intimidée et qu'elle pensait que ça faisait rire d'elle. Et elle pense que Snoop Dogg a fait un genre de power play. Puis parce que Snoop Dogg est grand, puis c'est un rapper, puis il est plus important que elle, alors elle se sentait inférieure à propos de cet homme masculin qui est Snoop Dogg. Bitch, what the fuck? Regarde. Premièrement, ils ont pas eu une interview avec Warren Buffett ou je sais pas, ou un autre white dude qui doit être politically correct. Il parle à Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg est toujours high as fuck. Il est joyeux toujours. Il dit qu'est-ce qu'il veut. C'est Snoop Dogg. Comment veux-tu être sérieux avec Snoop Dogg? Et bitch, t'es pas capable de prendre un compliment? C'est ça qui m'énerve aujourd'hui avec les femmes d'aujourd'hui. Elles sont pas capables de prendre des compliments. Snoop Dogg fait juste apprécier la beauté d'une personne. Si elle se faisait interviewer, puis genre, je sais pas, Enrique Iglesias est en train de fucking poser des questions, impossible qu'elle donne pas des compliments à ce dude-là. Anyway, guys, cette vidéo m'a vraiment frustré. Les femmes doivent stop, ok? Je sais que les féministes, vous êtes super hardcore aujourd'hui. Mais damn, girl. Oublie pas que t'es une femme. Et oublie pas qu'il y a des hommes qui, des fois, ils ont des désirs. Il a juste dit que c'est un compliment. Moi, je comprends pas, regarde. C'est cool. Je vais pas continuer, guys. Anyway, c'est votre boy Sap. Et on est out.